Greetings, my fellow foolish mortals, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we're here at the Showtime Cinemas Haunted House. It's a new house down here in Radcliff, Kentucky, just south of Louisville. And as its name implies, it takes place in an old movie theater. Each theater has something new to offer, and if you're a fan of horror movies, you are not going to want to miss this one. So without further ado, let's get in here and get some scares.
Oh, this is cool. Ooh, those are big arrows. Ah! Oh God, there's something back there. Uh-oh. Oh God, what is that? Yeah! Over there. That's a good one. Down there. He got us. That's the one that's been watching us.
I thought that was a wall. I did not think someone was there.
I didn't either. Yeah. I guess so. Tammy, there's Michael. It's Michael.
He's not doing too good.
Oh, look, it's the theater.
I can smell the butter popcorn now.
Are you sure? I
Maybe.
smell death.
I think I smell death and despair, actually. Oh, this is cool.
Oh my gosh, what's getting ready to happen?
Something bad.
Why are we whispering?
I don't know. That's why. Oh, look at the death.
They're all
Thing.
floating.
That's really cool. That is a possessed woman.
Yes, she's covered.
You stay up there.
Oh, great.
Oh, there's somebody down there. Tammy, there's somebody down there.
It's someone. I think they probably want to kill us. Tall.
That is really tall. Oh my God. Oh, they want you, Tammy. No. She said she wanted the blonde. There's your popcorn.
The blonde is off the market.
Don't eat the popcorn.
Oh,
Thank
no
you.
free refills.
Oh my gosh, Nora, you're gonna hate this.
No, you weren't wrong. There are spiders. No.
It's a Spidey
Ew,
channel.
it's you.
What is Spidey's up here?
Oh my God. No. What is behind you? They're scared. I'm totally not scared.
You're not gonna like this.
I know I'm not gonna like it. I saw it over your head. No, it's so gross. It's looking at us.
Oh, this is cool. What is this?
What is that? What is this? Uh-oh. He's having a time. Hold on. The wall, and then there's this guy over here.
He had his face ripped off.
The wall was alive.
The wall had hands.
Oh God.
Oh, that's freaking
They pulled his head off. Oh God.
Oh my God.
Oh, there's Billy.
After that. I just spoke another language. That's cool.
Oh.
Oh God. Oh. Wow.
Oh God.
Oh, no.
Okay.
No. No, sir.
That was a good distraction.
Oh God.
No, sir.
What is it? Oh, down there.
Oh.
What are
There's
you
a
doing
thief
down
down on the floor.
Oh God. Oh God.
Oh, he's got a full. Oh God!
Oh my God.
Fudge!
Oh God. Oh God.
Oh Jesus!
Man.
I was making sure it wasn't like, people.
It is.
Because a few minutes ago there were people.
You're like, are you real? I don't know. That looks like a pumpkin.
Okay, what do I do? I'm confused. Okay.
Evil
Do it.
pumpkin.
Ew.
For sure. Definitely an evil pumpkin.
Oh, that one is not staying where they were. Uh-oh.
Don't pick up the phone.
Don't do it.
It never ends well.
7 days, maybe.
Oh, what is this?
Where was that? In front of you.
I don't see anything in front of me.
There is. I hear
It
it.
doesn't look like there's
There's a
anything.
board.
Oh God. Oh man. He's not doing so good.
Oh.
It's getting. Oh my God! That knows exactly where to come from. Oh.
What is this?
I don't know. Every movie shows something different, so it's really cool.
Georgie.
Oh, there's Georgie. Oh, look.
That doesn't sound good?
Trying to float. Ooh.
I think someone's over here.
Intensifying.
Oh no, oh no, oh
What
no.
is this?
I don't I don't think I trust it.
No.
I don't trust that.
No.
That last guy got me real good.
That's behind you.
Yeah. Because they're in the
Yeah.
dark and you don't see them.
My sphincter might have puckered up on it. All right, guys, if you enjoyed that, stick around. Be sure to subscribe. We got a whole season full of this stuff coming up. Where that came from, I got another video for you right here of another haunted house that takes place in a movie theater. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.